Now a quick marinade for my lamb chop. I'm going to use balsamico vinegar, olive oil, some liquid rosemary, brown sugar and garlic. With everything that I've made before, I just kind of eye it and taste it to see if I need a little bit more of this or a little bit more of that. I'm only making one lamb chop, so I don't need much of everything. You can use fresh rosemary or dry rosemary, thyme, anything you really like for your marinade. It doesn't have to be this one, but this is how I make it, and this is what we like. I use 2 cloves of garlic for this. Brown sugar. Just mix it all together. It's alright if the brown sugar is lumpy. It will melt once you put it in the oven or the air fryer. So this is early morning for me. It's 7:30 and almost time for me to go to work. I just wanted this to marinate for the day, so it's nice when I get home. Once you mix the marinade, you taste it. See if you want to add anything else to it. I don't. I like the taste of this, and then you just pop it onto your lamb chop. I've left the fatty bit on the lamb chops because you can make a nice sauce from the fat once it's cooked. And I'm having sweet potatoes and roast potatoes with my lamb tonight, and maybe a salad. When you're finished with the marinated cover of the lamb chop, you just cover it with some tin foil or cling film, whichever you fancy, and you just put it in the fridge and leave it there till you get home in the evening, and you just pop it in the oven for at 200